Welcome to the second video in our video series on how to create a preparation outline for an informative speech. In this video, we will be covering subdivisions, transitions, and lastly, formatting rules. What is a main point? The textbook, Communications, Principles for a Lifetime, published in 2019, defines a main point as subdivisions of the central point of a speech that provides detailed points of focus for developing the speech. Subdivisions are supporting material for the point it is attached to. For example, capital A is a subdivision of Roman numeral 1, and 1 is a subdivision of A. As with all main points, all subdivisions should be in full sentence format. Previously mentioned textbook says this about subdivisions: you cannot divide anything into fewer than 2 parts. On an outline, every Roman numeral 1 should be followed by a Roman numeral 2. Every A should be followed by a B, and so on. Subdivisions can either be soft evidence or hard evidence. The textbook defines soft evidence as illustrations, descriptions, explanations, definitions, analogies, and opinions. It then defines hard evidence as statistics. We have just gone over what subdivisions are. Next, we will look at what a transition is and some formatting rules to remember. One full sentence helps the audience move from the first main point to the second main point. Referring to the textbook, Communications, Principles for a Lifetime, transition is defined as a word phrase or nonverbal cue that indicates movement from one point to the next or the relationship between points. Build redundancy. Tell them what you are going to tell them. Tell them what you told them. Preview, transition, and review. Make sure you are lining up your outline correctly. Roman numerals, letters, and numbers need to be lined up under the first letter of the first word of the point above it. If you have a 1, you must have a 2. Big A, big number. Example, capital A period, then under, start with 1 period. Little a, little number. Example, lowercase a period, then under, 1 parentheses. Do not allow any part of a sentence to pass the left margin. A simple transitional sentence will help the audience move from the second main point to the third main point. Use a single, carefully worded declarative sentence to express the main point. Back up the main point with supporting material. Forgetting one symbol can change the whole outline and page layout. Indent under each symbol by pressing Control and Tab together. In this video, we've learned about subdivisions, transitions, and lastly, we covered formatting rules. In a short 5 to 7 minute speech, only choose 2 to 3 main points to avoid going over time.